Hello everyone. Hey, I've finished a mosaic. This one is called Let Me Count the Ways, and the title is inspired by the sonnet by Elizabeth Barrett Browning. And really, this mosaic is all about hearts. The mosaic itself is a heart, the peacocks form a heart, the space between them is a heart, and most of all, they're surrounded by hearts who look a lot like butterflies. The andamento, the background, is also concentric hearts. So we've got hearts within hearts within hearts. Let me count the ways. Well, if I cover that bit up, that's 10 hearts. So you can imagine there's more than 100. Anyway, there it is. And I think it's a really nice mosaic for the summer, for a nice summer's day here in Broadstairs. And furthermore though, when it becomes winter and February, I think this will make a nice Valentine's card, don't you?